6-3 Day 1. Double angle, power reducing, and half angle formulas. Your learning goal for this lesson is that you will be able to prove and apply trig identities. So we're going to start off with the double angle formulas. And double angles look like this: sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, or tangent 2 theta. So these are the three double angle formulas that you need to get familiar with. If you notice, the double angle formula for sine equals 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. For cosine, it's cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And for tangent, it's 2 times tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Example 1, use the given information to find the exact value of the following. Sine theta equals negative 2 over 3. And we're going to say that theta lies in quadrant 3. Just type that really quick. Okay. So first we're going to draw the triangle in quadrant 3. Here's theta. And they gave us sine is negative 2 over 3. So opposite would be negative 2. Hypotenuse would be 3. And we're going to use Pythagorean theorem to help us find the adjacent side. So I'm just going to set this up. And now I'm just going to solve for x. Subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals the square root of 5. Now because we're in quadrant 3, that means that x has to be negative. Alright, so we're going to find our double angles using our formulas. First, let's find the double angle of sine. And the formula is 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. I'm just going to plug in sine theta they already gave us. We can now find cosine theta from our triangle. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And we're just going to multiply straight across. I'm going to put this over 1. So a negative times a negative is a positive. So in the numerator we have 4 square root of 5. And my denominator would be 9. Okay, now let's find cosine, or the double angle for cosine, which is cosine squared of theta minus sine squared theta. So I'm going to plug in cosine. Squared it minus sine. That's going to give us 5 over 9 minus 4 over 9, which gives us 1/9. And then we have tangent, the double angle for tangent. And that formula is 2 times tangent of theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. Okay, so 2 times tangent would be opposite over adjacent divided by 1 minus tangent squared. And now I'm just going to simplify. So in the numerator, I'm going to have 4 over the square root of 5 divided by 1 minus 4 over 5. And I'm just going to simplify again. And in my denominator, I'm going to make that 5 fifths minus 4 fifths. Which is 1/5. And then I'm going to do keep, change, flip, which will be 20 over square root of 5. And then I'm just going to rationalize this. Square root of 5 over 5, which equals 4 square root of 5. And we are done.